If you want to kick someone out of your Epic Games account, the safest and fastest way is to change your password and then sign out of every active session. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can protect your account, stop unauthorized access, and make sure anyone else logged in gets removed right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games account dashboard in your web browser and log in with the account you want to secure. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Password and Security. This is where Epic keeps your login and security controls, and it's the section you'll use to force other devices out of your account. At the top of the page, you'll see the Change Your Password section. This is the first and most important step because changing your password helps block anyone who knows your old login from getting back in. Click into the Current Password field and type in your existing password. Then move to the New Password field and enter a new secure password that you haven't used before. Make sure it's strong, unique, and hard to guess. If possible, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to make it more secure. After you've entered both passwords, click Save Changes. Epic Games will update your password, and this alone can help disconnect some unauthorized access. But we're not done yet. To make sure every active login session gets removed, stay on the Password and Security page and scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you should see the Sign Out of Everywhere option. Click that button to manually kill active authentication tokens for background devices and force all logged-in sessions to end. This is the step that really kicks someone out because it signs your account out across devices, browsers, and sessions that may still be connected. If someone was using your Epic Games account without permission, they'll be removed once this process finishes. After that, they would need your new password to get back in, which they should not have. Once you've done that, it's a good idea to double-check your account security settings and make sure your email address and other recovery details are still correct. If anything looks unfamiliar, update it right away. You should also consider turning on extra security features where available so your account is better protected in the future. And that's it. By changing your Epic Games password and using Sign Out of Everywhere, you can quickly remove someone from your account and lock things down again. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.